In Drupal 7, you could adjust the fields of the comments per content type. So if we went to comment fields here, we would be able to add some additional fields. And then we could also adjust how the comment displayed. In Drupal 8, we can have different comment types and associate those different types in fields across multiple entities. We can see the interface for this by going to Structure and then Comment Types. Right now there's only default comments, but we can add a new comment type by clicking the Add Comment Type button. I'll call it New Comment Type, and we'll target content. But you can see in this list that these comments can be associated with different kinds of entities. Once it's associated with an entity though, that's it. If you want to use the same comment type across multiple entities, you simply duplicate that comment type. I'll click Save. And now if we go to Manage Fields, we can add fields just like we can with content types. If I click Add Field, you can see that we have the same options that we had available to us for content types. I'm not sure exactly what a comment field on a comment type would do, but it could be fun to play around with.